Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Everyday Goth Collective. I am your hostess, Crystal. And as you can see, I don't have my backdrop. I am completely in the buff. Well, not completely, I'd be naked, but I mean, all this is naked. And not wearing, my usual flowy clothes. I actually just woke up. I was starting to get ready for the craft with me's, and I realized that there were some things that I need that we just don't have here. Um, I also have a commission that I want to do, or that I've been asked to do, that I have to go get some stuff for. Um, so, me and my husband are going to be going into Houston today. We're going to be going into Michael's and Joann's. All that we have around here is Hobby Lobby. But I'm going to be getting ready. And I figured, why not go ahead and show you guys my routine and what I do to put my face on and all that stuff. Keep in mind, I do have body dysmorphia. I have always been a bigger girl, but unfortunately, like I mentioned in a last video, I have very bad anxiety, and the way that that impacts me is that it makes my gastrointestinal tract very angry. It has caused me to lose a lot of weight, so I'm very sorry. There will be a lot of skin. There's nothing I can do about that right now, except for, actually exercise. But I'm always just so tired from feeling sick. But I am on medication, don't worry. It's just something that I have to go to a therapist for, and being a student, that's really hard to afford. And I'm mostly just waiting till after I get my bachelor's and I can get proper health insurance through my job, and hopefully it'll include good mental health care, because that kind of stuff is expensive and it is unfortunately very needed today. But anyways, enough about that and me being sick. We're going to do a get ready with me, and I'm going to show you everything that I do to get ready, starting with picking out my clothes, putting on my makeup. You guys are going to be there for all of it. Of course, you're not going to be there when I'm changing my clothes, but you're going to be there while I'm picking them. And maybe this will help you. I know a lot of people like the way I do my makeup, and there are a few rules that I follow. It's stupid. It's me. I used to be very heavy into the Lolita scene, and I don't know if any of you are into that, but there are rules, and a lot of them made sense to me, so they just kind of stuck. But anyways, I'm going to now show you what I do to get ready. And my bedroom is clean. We just don't make the bed. Sorry. But anyways, let's go. Hi, this is Commentary Crystal. Sup. So as you can see, I have a lot of black in my closet. There's my graduation gown. So I like to draw from a lot of different styles. As I've mentioned, I do like to sew. Some of these are modified, some of them I made, and some of them I bought. As you can see, there's a lot of lace, and I do have some floral print, some, not much, but we are gonna try something with a skirt that I got like earlier on this week. I think that it'll look really, really good. I am wanting to use this white shirt here, we'll see. So there's the skirt on your right. I love it so much. It's got this Catholic schoolgirl flair. That was the white shirt. I'm gonna try it. This is a black shirt that I also maybe wanted to try. These are the overcoats that I am considering for today. I don't like to go out without something like that on my body. I ended up going with this red corset thing. It is way too big on me, as you can see.
I haven't got around to modifying it yet. Here is our final outfit. I adore it. It's beautiful. As you can see, I like to do lots of pretty things with my casual style.
All right, now that we have chosen our clothes, the next thing I want to touch up on is accessories. I have put in my contacts. If you have really cool looking glasses and don't need to wear contacts, cool. Mine are just kind of plain looking. But don't worry about all this. It'll be covered up by the overcoat. That's the beautiful thing about goth clothes, is layering. But anyways, we need to get into accessories, because in my opinion, it is accessories that make or break an outfit. They are what sells it. They are what, and baby bats take heed, accessories. This is what shows that you are dedicated. The fact that it's not just your outfit, it's the tiny details of your outfit that you're including with it that make it to where you really sell the look. So let me show you what I think I'm going to be doing today as far as jewelry. Go ahead and put you down. And this is just way too big on me, so I had to pin it to my bra. Like I said, it'll all be covered up. But we're gonna wear those earrings that I made, and it's red, of course, since we're doing red today. I made this necklace. This is the Batwing necklace that I've been telling everybody about. We're gonna do a simple choker up top, and then of course the ironic rosary, because I always wear that. And then arm candy. I have so much flipping arm candy, and this is what really sells the look, is the arm candy. Having a lot of jewelry is a really good way to further detail your outfit. So that's the jewelry. Let me go ahead and get started on makeup. This will probably be the most entertaining part.
So the first thing that I usually do is I put my hair up, just because it gets in the way a lot. You'll be surprised to know I don't actually use any sort of foundation. All I'm using here is just primer for my eyes, because when I do eyeshadow, I like to make sure it can't go anywhere. And I think that speaks for most of us. I mean, sorry about that. I just had to flick on the light. Now, up next, I usually do my brows. I do my brows first because I find that they are the frames of my face. They are the frames of my eyes. They are essentially the first step to creating the face that I really find looks good on me. It involves a very dramatic brow, as you can see, and I'm just using a normal Revlon pencil. I mostly rely on drugstore makeup. I have very few actual things of makeup that are brand name. I just took a spoolie brush and we're just brushing it through, and we're gonna do the other one. So after I do my eyebrows, I immediately start on eyeshadow. This process can take me quite a while, which is why I sped it up. I use Morphe because I found them when I was getting married, and they were amazing. I have had that same palette for like 2 years, and it never lets me down. I do delve into other palettes and other colors, but I always go back to my Morphe. But use the corners of your eyes to make the lash with your eyeshadow. And then, as you can see, I'm just trying to blend it up. Blending is something that I'm not horribly good at, so you can see I'm taking a while to get it right. But I eventually do get it right, I promise. If you have hooded eyelids, use the hood to your advantage. put a little bit of black onto the hood, and it'll create the illusion that you have non-hooded eyelids. I like to take the black and also line the bottom of my eyelash with it, just because it gives it that illusion of a more complete eye. As you can see, we're using red today. I like to use white to also put on my brows. They, just a little bit of highlighter, you know, and once again, my blending isn't too great, but I promise I get it eventually. And just in case y'all were wondering, those are Eco brushes. They are amazing. I also like to use brighter colors to line the corner of my eye. So we're gonna put it on the other eye. This is the completed look. Now we are starting on mascara, eyeliner. I always like to use waterline eyeliner just because it makes my eyes look a little bit more sultry and demure. Not everyone can put it on the inside of their waterline. It literally just takes practice. Now, eyeliner. This is NYX brand. It is the best that I have ever used, even better than Kat Von D. And I know people swear by her tattoo liner. Now, the way I do my eyeliner is I start in the corner of my eye and I make a line towards the corner or the outer corner of my brow, and then I go from the tip of that to the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just kind of showing you guys how to do it. In here you can get kind of creative. You can do little designs. You can add extra eyelashes. As you can see, I'm just kind of doing random stuff. That's just me. But it's kind of fun. You know, you could just add anything you want to it. Now this is Revlon mascara. It's supposed to have like some sort of cannabis in it, and it's supposed to make your eyes feel better, but I love it. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Just give me a minute. Here's the completed eye mask. Now, this is Slayer by Kat Von D. I don't like a lot of her stuff. I really don't. But her lipstick is still amazing. I like the way it stays, and I like how it doesn't come off. If you have any brands that are from better people, just let me know. Now here I like to do what people are calling today the Kim Possible lip. Basically, I just take a brush that is meant for blending lip color and I pull it down and I help it frame my lip a little bit better. It kind of blends it into my natural skin tone and makes it look a little bit more, I don't know, a part of my face. And that is makeup. Now we are going to do hair, and honestly, I do nothing. I just take it down and put it to the sides. I hate to say it, but I woke up like this. Now, pins are one of my favorite accessories. They are so versatile, and you can use them to just add a little bit more to an outfit. As you can see, I'm just kind of putting on jewelry, really. And that's the whole look, minus the jacket. Let's put the jacket on and do a little twirl.
And that's it. That is my whole routine. That is what I do to get ready. I know some of you are probably surprised that I don't put on anything on my face. I've never done that. My mother used to do it a lot, and she had problems with like rosacea. So I just didn't do it anymore. I tried when I was younger. But I also have these because it is terrible outside. Terribly bright anyways. And I also threw on boots because it has been wet the past couple days and you never know. There could be puddles of water in Houston. I'm used to wearing boots. You'll find that a lot of goths are. But anyways, thank you so much for joining me for this get ready. Hopefully I find what I need in Houston. We'll see. I thought about filming it and putting it online, but I just don't have the equipment to do something like that yet. Maybe one day we can film some more adventure-like stuff. But until then, thank you so much. Please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I will see you in what I make next. Thank you, and bye.